Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our photosynthesis topic. In the previous video, already we have seen what is meant by photosynthesis, how does the process of photosynthesis which occur in the leaf. Okay, because the leaf is present the chloroplast organelles, and these organelles it leads to the process of photosynthesis. In the previous video already we have seen the structure of chloroplast, the component of the chloroplast means which important component is present in the chloroplast. Already we have seen in my previous video. If you have any doubt regarding the structure of chloroplast, you have go to my previous video and you watch this video. It is the details explanation of the structure of chloroplast. In this video we are going to study about that the regulation of stomatal opening and closing and the process of photosynthesis in the mesophyll cell. Let us start today's video. See student, again we have revised the process of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis occur in the plant in presence of sunlight. The plant are absorb the carbon dioxide from atmosphere through by stomata. The plant absorb the water molecules in the soil through by roots, and the presence of sunlight in the chlorophyll pigment. The process of the photosynthesis is carried out and form the glucose and oxygen is the byproduct of the process of photosynthesis. In this video we are details explanation how does the phases occur in the photosynthesis. There are two phases, light dependent and light independent, which we will see in our next video. But in this video we will see what is the opening and closing of stomata and what are the mesophyll types of the cell. Let us move towards the regulation of opening and closing of the stomata. As you know student, already we have seen in the previous classes the plant, the leaf is the food factory of plant. Why the leaf is a food factory of plant student? Because on the leaf there is a present of the number of the stomata. You know that stomata is a small minute opening which is occur in the large number on the lower surface of the leaf. Got it? Means क्या होता है बेटा? Why we call the leaf is a food factory of plant? क्योंकि leaf में stomata present है. With the help of stomata, leaf can absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay, and help to the carbon dioxide, the plant produce the carbohydrates as a starch. Okay, let us see how does the regulation of opening and closing of the stomata. We will see details in this video. मिस मैंने बताया बेटा आपको लीफ है, लीफ के अपर सरफेस और लोअर सरफेस में न्यूमरस नंबर ऑफ स्टोमेटा प्रेजेंट होते हैं. स्टोमेटा क्या करते हैं बेटा? जो भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है एटमॉस्फेयर विच वी विल एब्जॉर्ब इनसाइड द प्लांट. देयर आर टू थ्योरी with help to the regulation of opening and closing of the stomata. First we will see the potassium concentrations theory. See student, listen to me carefully and concentrate towards the video. See student, during the daytime, first of all I will explain about the daytime, then I will explain what happened in the night time. During the daytime, the presence of photosynthesis, presence of sunlight, plant prepare the food. जब plant prepare the food, what happen? There is the ATP production are increase. Means whenever the plant is the photosynthesis which leads to the production of ATP. ATP का concentration ज़्यादा हो जाता है. Means increase the there is the ATP concentration higher, so the whatever the potassium concentration also increase in the guard cell. ATP का concentration देखो बेटा मैं फिर से आपको बताती हूँ. during the daytime the photosynthesis process is occur. So the photosynthesis process which leads the production of ATP. देखो बेटा, आपको पता है अगर प्रोसेस चालू है तो एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड, एंड एनर्जी required means whenever the photosynthesis occur that times the ATP are released, ATP molecule release हो जाते हैं. Then ATP is released, so the potassium constant, जो भी बाहर potassium ion है, you know the plant is absorb the minerals also. There is the higher concentration of potassium ion is outside of the guard cell, but when there is the ATP increase, the guard cells are moving inside the potassium ion are moving inside the guard cell. What happen when the potassium concentrations are higher in the guard cell? There is so many chloroplasts. The cells, the concentration means जो भी concentration है guard cell में, the solution, जो भी solution present है, it become a hypertonic. Hypertonic means what beta? There is the mineral concentration high and water concentration is a less. तो क्या हो जाता है? If there is the hypertonic solution, whatever water molecules are present outside of the guard cells are moved towards the inside of the cell, and the cell become a swelling up, and these swelling ups, the water concentration is higher in the cell, the guard cells are swell up and the stomata will be open. समझ में आ गया बेटा? अगेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन. क्या होता है बेटा, जब डे टाइम में फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस होती है तो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस के टाइम एटीपी प्रोडक्शन हाई मीन्स एटीपी का प्रोडक्शन होता है गार्ड सेल में. एटीपी का प्रोडक्शन गार्ड सेल में हो गया ज़्यादा तो क्या होता है, जो भी पोटेशियम आयन्स आर प्रेजेंट है अराउंड द गार्ड सेल विच इज एंटर, वो सारे गार्ड सेल में एंटर हो जाते हैं. देखो अगेन रिपीट इट. ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम जब फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस होती है तो एटीपी का प्रोडक्शन गार्ड सेल में इंक्रीज हो जाता है, ज़्यादा हो जाता है. एटीपी का प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा होने से क्या हो जाता है, जो भी पोटेशियम आयन आउटसाइड प्रेजेंट है वो सारे पोटेशियम आयन्स आर एंटर इनसाइड द गार्ड सेल. अगर यहाँ पे पोटेशियम आयन का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा हो गया तो जो भी गार्ड सेल में सॉल्यूशन है वो हाइपरटोनिक बन जाता है. हाइपरटोनिक मीन्स बेटा जहाँ पे वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम है और अनदर मिनरल्स का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है, दिस सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड एज द हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन. आपको पता है बेटा सेल की टेंडेंसी क्या होती है, अगर यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन हाइपरटोनिक है तो जो भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स प्रेजेंट है यहाँ पे वाटर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेस है एज कंपेयर टू द आउटसाइड. तो क्या होता है, द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स आर एंटर इनसाइड द सेल. जो भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स गार्ड सेल के सराउंडिंग प्रेजेंट है वो गार्ड सेल के अंदर आते हैं, और वाटर मॉलिक्यूल अगर अंदर आ गए तो स्वेल द गार्ड सेल्स स्वेल हो जाती, फूल जाती है, और गार्ड सेल फूलने से स्टोमेटा ओपन हो जाते हैं. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट, व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू? समझ में आ गया बेटा? मैंने हिंदी में क्यों बताया, क्योंकि आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. अगेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन द इंग्लिश. What happen in during the daytime, the photosynthesis process are occur in the guard cell, because guard cell is also have so many chloroplast. This is the chloroplast, this is the chloroplast, means the photosynthesis process present in the guard cell. The ATP molecules are produced in the guard cell. If in the guard cell the ATP production is high, that times the potassium ions are enter into the guard cell. When the potassium ions are enter in the guard cell, the solution become a hypertonic. Solution क्या हो जाता है, hypertonic हो जाता है. Then there is the less concentration of water and more concentration of potassium ion. So the outermost water, the outer side of the water is high. This water is also enter into the guard cell. Water enter into the guard cell leads to the swelling of the guard cell. The guard cells are swell up and stomata is open. Understood, student? And what happened during the night time? In the night time, there is no photosynthesis processes occur. लाइट नहीं है तो photosynthesis नहीं होगा. There is the less ATP in the guard cell. Then there is no potassium ions are present enter into the guard cell. Potassium ion enter नहीं होते guard cell में. So there is the large amount of water is present. The solution is the hypotonic. Hypotonic means what बेटा? जिसमें वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है. अगर यहाँ पे वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है as compared to the atmosphere, the water is goes out from the guard cell. अगर यहाँ पे वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम हो गया तो गार्ड सेल्स आर श्रिंक. गार्ड सेल श्रिंक हो जाती है और स्टोमेटा विल बी क्लोज. अंडरस्टूड? what how does the potassium ion concentrations are leads to the stomata opening and closing. Understood, student? Next is the sugar concentration theory. It is also same like that in the potassium ion concentration theory. Let us see during the daytime. First of all we will see daytime. During the daytime the guard cell में chloroplast है. So during the daytime the photosynthesis process is occur in the guard cell. Glucose means sugar. The glucose molecules are high concentration in the guard cell. Sugar molecules are high concentration in the guard cells. अगर शुगर का concentration ज़्यादा है तो सेल जो solution है वो कैसे बन जाता है? Hypertonic. Hypertonic means less amount of water and high amount of glucose. तो क्या होता है? If there is the hypertonic solution, whatever water molecules are present in the atmosphere, present in the another cell which is enter into the guard cell and the cell become a swelling up. अगर आपने देखा होगा previous classes में the guard cells are swell up, the stomata will be open. guard cells swell हो जाते हैं और stomata open हो जाते हैं. Understood, student? What happened in the night time? It is opposite during the daytime. नाइट टाइम में क्या होता है बेटा? देर इज नो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेसेस आकर. वहाँ पे फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस नहीं होती. सो देर इज नो ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द गार्ड सेल. देन द वाटर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज हाई इन द गार्ड सेल. मीन्स द जो सोल्यूशन है वो हाइपोटोनिक है. हाइपोटोनिक मीन्स जिसमें वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है और ग्लूकोज का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम है. अगर यहाँ पे वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है, you know that by the process of osmosis water concentration is a movement of water concentration to the higher concentration to the lower concentration. यहाँ पे जो भी वाटर का concentration ज़्यादा है वह यहाँ पे लेस है as compared to the inside the guard cell. The water is come out from the guard cell. अगर water कम हो गया वहाँ पे तो guard cell become a shrink. अगर guard cell shrink हो गए the stomata is a close. Means the two theory is about opening and closing of the stomata. Understood, student? What is the potassium ion concentration theory and sugar ion concentration theory? Let us revise. देखो बेटा, जब पोटेशियम का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन सेल गार्ड सेल में इंक्रीज हो जाता है तो सॉल्यूशन हाइपरटोनिक बन जाता है. मीन्स वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम होता है. बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस जो भी एट आउटर सेल में जो भी वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो एंटर हो जाता है. जो भी वाटर है वो जो गार्ड सेल में एंटर हो जाते हैं तो गार्ड सेल्स बिकम अ स्वेलिंग अप एंड स्टोमेटा ओपन. अंडरस्टूड? इन द नाइट टाइम देर इज नो फोटोसिंथेसिस, देयर इज नो एटीपी, नो पोटेशियम आयन. सो देयर इज द हाइपोटोनिक सोल्यूशन. वाटर ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन में तो वाटर आउटसाइड मूव करेगा. सो सेल बिकम अ श्रिंक एंड स्टोमेटा विल बी close. Understood, student? If you have any doubt regarding to the potassium concentration theory, ion concentration theory, you will send me the comments in our comment box. Okay? Next topic of the photosynthesis. I told you beta the photosynthesis process is occur in only mesophyll type of the cell. जो photosynthesis process present है, जो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रेजेंस जो प्रेजेंट्स है वो बस मेसोफिल टाइप्स ऑफ द सेल्स में ही होती है. वाई बेटा, why the photosynthesis process occur in only mesophyll cells? Because in the leaf the mesophyll cells are present the large amount of the chloroplast organelles. Chloroplast organelles large amount में mesophyll cells में present होती है. So the process of photosynthesis is occur in the mesophyll cells. There are two types of the mesophyll cells: palisade mesophyll cell and spongy mesophyll cell. See, this is the outer layer. It is called as the cuticle, and below the cuticle have the epidermis. Epidermis, you know that epidermis is the outermost layer of the cell, which is tissue which is protect the inner part of the leaf. Below the epidermis there have a mesophyll types of the cell. There are two types of the mesophyll cell. This cylinder-like cell is called as the palisade mesophyll cell. This cylinder-like cell is called as the palisade mesophyll cell, and this circular, the round-like cell is called as the spongy mesophyll cell. These two types of the mesophyll cells have the large amount of chloroplast organelles, and these chloroplast organelles, you know that these chloroplast organelles are present the chlorophyll pigment. These chlorophyll pigment are trap the sunlight and the photosynthesis process is occur. आपको मैंने बताया था बेटा, there is a stomata. This is the opening. This opening is called as the stomatal opening. These opening are enter the CO2. CO2, carbon dioxide, means the stomata absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and these carbon dioxides are entered into the mesophyll cells, and the roots are absorb the waters, and through by the veins, xylem vessels, xylem tissue, xylem cells are transferred the water molecule from the mesophyll cells, and the mesophyll cells are carried out the process of photosynthesis. You know that means the 6 CO2 from the atmosphere, 12 H2O molecules from the soil, and the byproduct. This is the two are reactant of the process of photosynthesis. In presence of the sunlight, and the chlorophyll pigment, the process, the chemical equation is carried out, and product is the glucose. Means बेटा ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and water in presence of sunlight, in presence of chlorophyll pigment, the byproduct is glucose and oxygen is formed, O2. Understood student? What is the process of photosynthesis? क्या होता है बेटा? photosynthesis जो भी process है वो mesophyll cells में ही होती है. क्यों बेटा? Because the mesophyll cells are present the large amount of chloroplast organelles. Chloroplast organelles में क्या होता है? I explained in my previous video. You go through it and watch this video and understood it. जो क्लोरोप्लास्ट में क्लोरोथाइलाकॉइड्स है उसके वॉल्स में क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट है. Chlorophyll pigment have an ability to trap the sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, the carbon dioxide and water molecules are two phases: photosynthesis, light and light dependent and light independent, and the byproduct glucose and oxygen is a form. In the next video, I will explain about that the light dependent phase and light independent phase. After this explanation, you will clear that what is the process of photosynthesis, how does the process of photosynthesis occur in the chloroplast organelles. Understood student? In the next video, I will teach in the light and independent and light dependent theory. This video I explained about that the opening and closing of the stomata and process of photosynthesis which is occur in the mesophyll types of the cells. Thank you student.